Okay, it's the 28th of February. It's Friday. We're going to go over the next couple of days worth of weather. Going to be some changes in the weather. Basically, we're going to go from the temperatures we've had to temperatures that are cold again and below freezing. Even some single digits you'll see in the forecast that are up ahead here. But right now, around midnight, this is what your temperatures will look like. And you can see basically upper 30s to 40s around this time. And around midnight, you do have some showers moving in from the west, and this is ahead of that cold front. You can still see a little area up here where it says it's snow, but it's just basically going to be wet, if anything, at that point in time. But we got to watch these temperatures as the front comes down. It'll swing in some cold air. Right here is around 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's up by Bradford, and it's starting to work its way down. Temperatures ahead of it are still in the 30s and low 40s, but that cold air is right behind it. As that comes across, it'll change over the precipitation to some flurries. This is around 10 o'clock in the morning. You can see it's out by State College. Temperatures have dropped into the 20s. Take a look up at Bradford up here. It's 17 now. And then if you look all the way down here towards Lancaster, it's in the 40s. So that's a pretty strong front coming across here, but it does lack a lot of precipitation. Here it is just scattered through here, some showers ahead of it, flurries as the cold air comes in. And then, as you can see, overnight or during the day on Saturday is not much. There's up here to the north by Bradford, you can see some flurries going on. This is squall action off the lakes, and it's nothing major. It's just going to throw some flurries around. This takes you to around Saturday night around 10 o'clock, and you can still see there's a couple streamers coming down, but there's not much at all, and it's refined right to the extreme northern part of Pennsylvania, and there's not going to be much at all. But at this point in time, this is Sunday morning. I'll back this up a little bit here. This is Sunday morning around 8 o'clock. You can see temperatures are really tailed off. Um, 10 up here, Bradford. And you can see in between here, even State College down in the low teens. Temperatures have really dropped. The whole area is in the teens to single digits in some areas. So it's gotten really cold for Sunday morning, and it doesn't really warm up a heck of a lot during the daytime. Here's the afternoon highs. It may get to 30 down here by Lancaster and Reading, but elsewhere it's in the teens still in the north and the 20s in between. So it's pretty cold. And if you're wondering just how much snow, it's not really a lot. This is your totals. Anything in these dark areas could be an inch. The blue areas could maybe be 2, but you can see it's far and few in between. It's basically flurries and a dusting, if anything, out of this whole thing that you're going to get. Okay, so that's your update, and I'll talk to you again on Sunday.